All right, we got this amazing Rhythm Fun 2-in-1 treadmill and walking pad. This thing's super high quality. I've got it at the top speed right now, which is, it says on there 10.8 kilometers per hour, which is about 6.7 miles per hour. And if you're looking for a treadmill that goes this fast, the number you're seeing on this page, it's normally way higher. So the number just based on that alone, amazing value. I'm gonna go ahead and slow it down here, and we can control everything right here. So I can slow it down there, or I can just press the 3/6. That'll slow it down to 3 kilometers per hour. Also, I'm gonna pull this. Actually, I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. I'm gonna pull the emergency thing out to show you how quickly it stops. So you have this attached. Say you're about to fall off or something, pull it off, and it just stops. So like that's gonna come in handy if you were to fall off. If you were to like start falling off and it yanked it out, that's a great mechanism to have. But also, here's the other thing: if you don't want to use this, you just put it in. You can just have it dangling down, maybe wrap it around. Some people don't want to use this, so you can do that. So that's great.
That's not legal advice.
Yeah, that's not legal advice, but you can do that. Now, here's the thing: that you do have to have that in order for it to work. So now, what I'll do to turn this into the walking pad. So we're going to come down here. We're going to loosen these up, like so. Loosen, 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 loosen. And once they're loosened up to a point, now I can sort of pull them out, and this can go back. Lay that down. Now that'll turn back on because you don't need the emergency. Since we're just going to be walking, you don't need the emergency vibe on anymore. But I'm going to tighten these up. And we got the remote right here. So it comes with this remote. Let's go ahead and start it. Press the play button. There we go. And so as you see, it's got the speed here, the time, and the distance right here. So I'm going to speed it up to the top speed on the walking, which is 6 kilometers per hour, which is about 3.7, 3.8 miles per hour. So a great speed. This is going to get, a lot of people use the walking pads while they're working. They'll have it as like an under the desk treadmill. So on like a higher desk, so they'll be able to do some work while they're walking. If you're doing that, you're going to want to slow this down. So that's more than enough for that. But if you're there's a lot of people, they'll just turn this on in their living room while they're watching TV or whatever. This is going to be a great workout. Like this is a good speed. You're getting a good walk in, getting your heart rate up, getting some good exercise. Press stop to turn it off. So it's slowing down right now. And now what I want to show you as that slows down, it's got a 300-pound weight capacity. And as you can see, very compact. It's got wheels on the front, so very easy to move around and to store. So very easy. Can just slide it under your bed, under the couch, whatever. Very easy, very compact as far as storage goes. Amazing. Like I think this thing's amazing. I see why it's flying off the shelves on Amazon. Highly recommend.